Right, today we're going to bring some LED ribbon, if you guys can see that. So we're going to set this up around our actual window, and I want to see if it can light up, because this is where I'm going to be streaming from, and I want to be able to actually have some background on it. So all right, so we finished setting up the light. I'm going to show you guys. I have the controller in my hand, and I'm also going to show you the app. But let's turn off the lights in here. Look how beautiful they look. Really outstanding. Now I'm going to change it to auto. You can change it to auto. It changes to different modes. All right, now there's different, also you could dim it down and up. You could change play. You could even turn them off from here. So off, and then you want to turn it back on, you can do that. You can play by music if you want, audio or anything. Let me change it to different RG lighting. All right, different colors. So they give you the basic ones here. And I like this, that I'm going to put auto again so you guys can see it. But one of the modes, you could go up modes or down modes. So we're going to change the modes. These are just some of the modes, all right? All right, these are just some of the modes that you can change, all right? We're going to keep going down the line. They have so many modes in here that you can see. And I put it in my window. I like that. So anybody comes in, checking out my gaming setup, look at that. You could change it how you like, and I'm also going to show you the app itself, all right? So we're going to leave it on auto right now. All right, so let me show you the application, right? I'm going to open it up, the application, and you can see the actual background right now. And I do have a couple of lights in here, right? So with the actual program. Now, it comes with all these features in here. Of course, number one button, turn it off. Turn it back on, it just immediately turns on. All right, now they have colors, different colors. You can change all this color schemes that they have. They have music, meaning that if you're going to play some music, it's going to go with the actual flow of the music. Right now it's playing rock because I'm talking right now, but if it changes like to jazz, it changes different features, different changes. And then of course they got different schemes. Like I like this ghost one, so if you're ever going to do like a ghost or Thanksgiving, or I mean they got multiple ones. And DIY is like build your own, all right? That's pretty much what it is. This is pretty much all the features you get out of the box, all right? And like I said, I'm controlling them from here, from my actual phone. And it's very simple to actually get used to the actual features. And then, like I said, you can schedule it to turn on. And this is good with Alexa and Google Home too. So you can set it up either way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.